Hi students, next unit is 6 Nuclear Physics Exam Syllabus 2020-21. From letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, man-made radioactivity is also known as, page number 75, answer D, A and C. That means what? Induced radioactivity and artificial radioactivity. Okay, so answer D, A and C. Second question, unit of radioactivity is dash. Roentgen, Curie, Becquerel, both all are correct. So answer D, all the above. Okay. Then third question, artificial radioactivity was discovered by dash. B, Irene Curie. Fourth one, in which of the following no change in mass number of the daughter nuclei takes place? Answer B, that means Roman letter 2 and 3. That means what? Beta decay and gamma decay are correct. So answer B. Both 2 and 3. Answer B. Okay. Then fifth one, dash isotope is used for the treatment of cancer. Answer B, radio cobalt. Sixth one, dash aprons are used to protect us from gamma radiations. Answer C, lead. Seventh one, which of the following statement is correct? Answer D, third and fourth. Third one, ionization power is maximum for alpha rays. Then fourth one, penetrating power of gamma radiation is very high. So answer D. Okay. Then eighth one, in the nuclear reaction X612 alpha decay is converted to ZYA, the value of A and Z. Answer B, 8 and 4. Okay, value of A and Z. Okay, that means mass number. A means what? A means mass number, Z atomic number. Okay, answer B, 8, 4. Then Roman letter 2, filling the blanks. 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegrations per second. Second question, positron is an dash anti-electron. Third one, anemia can be cured by a dash isotope. Answer radioion. That is Fe59. Radioion Fe59. Fourth one, abbreviation of ICRP. Answer the International Commission on Radiological Protection. Fifth one, dash is used to measure exposure rate of radiation in humans. Answer dosimeter. Sixth one, dash has the greatest penetration power, gamma rays. Seventh one, YZA gives Z plus 1, YA plus X. Then X is dash, beta particle. Eighth one, XZA converted into YZA. This reaction is possible in dash decay. Answer gamma. Ninth one, the radioisotope of phosphorus dash helps to increase the productivity of crops. Answer phosphorus P32. 10th one, if the radiation exposure is 100 R, 100 Roentgen, it may cause dash leukemia. Roman letter 3, state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, correct this statement. Second question, the elements, first question, okay. Elements having atomic number greater than 83 can undergo dash nuclear fusion. Undergo nuclear fusion. Answer false. Okay, instead of nuclear fusion, write what? Spontaneous radioactivity. Okay, so answer false. Then what is correct statement? Elements having atomic number greater than 83 can undergo spontaneous radioactivity, not nuclear fusion. Spontaneous radioactivity. Roman letter 4, match the following. A, Soddy-Fajan displacement law, correct answer. B, Irene Curie, artificial radioactivity. C, Henry Becquerel, natural radioactivity. D, Albert Einstein, mass energy equivalence. Then next match 5. A, cobalt 60, leukemia. Iodine 131, thyroid disease. Sodium 24, function of heart. Carbon 14, age of fossil. Next, fifth one, arrange the following in the correct sequence. First one, arrange in descending order on the basis of their penetration power. Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays. In the descending order, answer gamma rays, beta rays, alpha rays, cosmic rays. Second one, arrange the following in the chronological order of discovery. Nuclear reactor, radioactivity, artificial radioactivity, discovery of radium. Answer, radioactivity. Next one, discovery of radium. Next, artificial radioactivity. Next, nuclear reactor. Then Roman letter 6, use the analogy to fill in the blanks. First one, spontaneous process, natural radioactivity. Induced process, answer, artificial radioactivity. Second one, increasing crops, radiophosphorus. Effective functioning of heart, radiosodium. Then third one, deflected by electric field, alpha ray, null deflection, gamma ray. Then eighth one, assertion and reason type question. 1. Assertion, in a beta decay, the neutron number decreases by 1. Reason, in beta decay, atomic number increases by 1. Answer, both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Then Roman letter 9, answer in one or two word. First question, who discovered natural radioactivity? Answer, Henry Becquerel. Second one, which radioactive material is present in the ore of pitchblende? Answer, radium. Third one, write any two elements which are used for inducing radioactivity. Boron, aluminium. Fourth one, write the name of the electromagnetic radiation which is emitted during a natural radioactivity. Answer, gamma rays. Fifth one, if A is radioactive element which emits an alpha particle and produces rubidium 104-259. Okay, 104-259. RF is not rubidium, rutherfordium. Okay, RF means what? Rutherfordium. Write atomic number and mass number of the element A. Answer, first Sg 106-63 converted into RF 104-259 plus helium 24 alpha decay. Okay. Seaborgium, first one, Sg. RF means what? Rutherfordium. Atomic number of the element what? 106. Atomic number what? 106 and mass number 263. Okay. Then, sixth one, what is the amount of radiation that may cause death of a person when exposed to it? Answer, 600 R. Seventh one, give the SI unit of radioactivity. Becquerel, Bg, BQ. Eighth one, which material protects us from radiation? Answer, lead. Then Roman letter 10, answer the following questions in few sentences. First one, write any three features of natural and radioactivity. Draw tabular column. Then write natural radioactivity and artificial radioactivity. Write any three features. Okay. First point, emission of radiation due to self-disintegration. Select any three. Okay. Out of 5, select any three. First one, emission of radiation due to self-disintegration of a nucleus. Artificial, emission of radiation due to disintegration of a nucleus through induced process. Second one, alpha, beta and gamma radiations are emitted. Artificial radioactivity, mostly elementary particles such as neutron, positron and etc. are emitted. Third one, it is a spontaneous process. Artificial radioactivity is an induced process. Then fourth one, exhibited by elements with atomic number more than 83. Artificial radioactivity exhibited by elements with atomic number less than 83. Then fifth one, this cannot be controlled. Artificial radioactivity, this can be controlled. Page number 76. Okay. Then second question, define 1 Roentgen. 1 Roentgen is defined as the quantity of radioactive substance which produces a charge of 2.58 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb in 1 kg of air under standard conditions of pressure, temperature and humidity. Third question, state Soddy-Huygens displacement law. Soddy and Huygens displacement law. Page number 77. Soddy and Huygens displacement law stated below. First point, when a radioactive element emits an alpha particle, a daughter nucleus is formed whose mass number is less by 4 units and atomic number is less by 2 units than the mass number and atomic number of the parent nucleus. Second one, when a radioactive element emits beta particle, a daughter nucleus is formed whose mass number is the same and the atomic number is more by 1 unit than the atomic number of the parent nucleus. Fourth one, Mr. Ramo is working as an X-ray technician in a hospital, but he doesn't wear lead aprons. What suggestion will you give to Mr. Ramo? 1. A pocket dosimeter is used to provide the wearer with an immediate reading of his or her exposure to X-rays. Second one, lead-coated aprons and lead gloves should be used while working with the hazardous X-rays. Okay. Then, fifth one, give any two uses of radioisotope in the field of agriculture. First point, the radioisotope of phosphorus P32 helps to increase the productivity of crops. Second one, the radiations from radioisotopes can be used to kill the insects and parasites and prevent the wastage of agricultural products. Then, essay question, detail answer. This is Roman letter 9, I think Roman letter 9, Roman letter 11. Okay, detail answer. Compare the properties of alpha, beta and gamma radiations. Okay, draw this tabular column. Write alpha, beta and gamma rays. First write property. What are they? Alpha rays, helium nucleus, helium-24, consisting of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Beta ray, they are electrons, that is E -10, basic elementary particle in all atoms. Gamma ray, they are electromagnetic waves consisting of photons. Charge, positively charged particle, charge of each alpha particle is equal to plus 2e. Beta, it is negatively charged particle, charge of each beta particle is minus e. Then gamma, neutral particles, charge of each gamma particle is 0. Page number 77. Okay. Then ionizing power 100 times greater than beta rays and 10,000 times greater than gamma rays. Beta ray comparatively low, gamma ray very less ionization power. Then penetrating power, low penetrating power even stopped by a thick paper. Then beta ray penetrating power is greater than that of alpha rays and they can penetrate through a thin metal foil. Then gamma ray, they have very high penetrating power greater than that of beta rays. They can penetrate through thick metal blocks. The effect electric and magnetic field. Alpha rays deflected by both the fields in accordance with Fleming's left hand rule. Beta ray deflected by both the field, but the direction of the deflection is opposite to that of alpha rays. In accordance with Fleming's left hand rule, they are not deflected by both the fields. Then speed. Their speed ranges from 1/10 to 1/20 times the speed of light. Beta rays, their speed can go up 9/10 times the speed of light. Gamma rays, they travel with the speed of light. Then Roman letter 12, hot questions. X-rays should not be taken often. Give the reason. X-rays should not be taken often. Reason 1. X-rays cause cell injury and cell death. Second one, it is likely to cause cancer. Third one, it changes the cell structure and function. Fourth one, it can cause mutation in our DNA. Third one, cell phone towers should be placed far away from the residential area. Why? Cell phone towers should be placed far away from residential area because 1. There are indicative studies to prove that the electromagnetic radiation is harmful to the people. Second one, these radiation cause many health problems including memory loss, lack of concentration, digestive disturbance and cancer. Thank you. That's all.